you. Have a good day. Bye.
Hello and welcome to the next episode. We're finally back out on the water after all the repairs we've had done. So we're just out on a little shakedown trip. Me and my wife Andrew have been over to Queenborough from Benfleet. It's the next day, we're just on our way back. It's beautiful weather, as you can see. Not a breath of wind, so it's unlikely we're going to get the main up, unfortunately. But everything seems to be going perfectly. All the repairs, as I said, are done. I'll show you around in a second what's been done. Quite a short episode, because not much to report. As I said, it's just a quick shakedown trip to check everything's okay, and then next weekend we'll be going out on a longer trip for a couple of days. We'll be taking William and my mum with us. So I will do an update in a little while. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning now. It's going to be a very, very hot day. They're saying about 28, but I don't think we're going to get any wind. We may, when we turn back towards Southend and Benfleet, have the wind behind us. We may be able to get the sails out, but I'll keep you updated. So here's the new rigging. I've done the new bottle screws, all new standing rigging. New furler. So as I said, all new standing rigging, new furler. We've gone with the profile as recommended. The only slight issue we've got at the moment is the way it is attached to the anchor roller. As you can see down here, it means that we can't get our anchor into our anchor roller. So we're gonna do a new bolt for it so that we can still get the anchor in. As I said, this is a shakedown cruise to check everything's okay, but everything seems great. Rigging's all fine now, so we are now going to be able to sail properly. So as I said, next weekend we're going out on a 3-day trip up to Brighton Sea and back. So that'll be the next episode. But thanks for being patient. I know it's been a month since we posted anything, but we had quite a bit to do. I've also got a solar panel that we're going to install as well. We've not quite got around to that yet. But we've also got a new dinghy, which I'll take you down to show you now. So here she is. She's an Avon 2.8, so she's a bit bigger, just a bit more space to get Angela, my mum and William in, and some luggage. So we've had that about a week now. She's very good. I had to build a floor for her. I don't know if you can see the floor. We didn't have a floor, and I had to do a small patch on it as well, but it only cost £100, so it was good. Some display on today somewhere. Must be a display on today somewhere. So the main is up, still into the wind at the moment, but when we change course to head across, the wind will be on our beam, so we might get a bit of sailing after all. Just had a bit of a flyover. It's a very beautiful day. So when we make our turn and we get the Genoa out and we're under sail, I'll give you an update. Hello again. So we've made our turn. We've got the main up and the genoa, full genoa. It's our first time with our main up, so we're a little bit excited. So yeah, we're not making a whole lot of speed. We're doing about 2 knots, but that's fine because we're waiting for the tide basically, so we can. We're heading now across. You can see that. We're heading across, and then we're just going to head back down towards Southend. So if it gets any more exciting, I will give you another update.